Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Steam Link on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Before we begin, if you stream or game a lot on your Fire Stick, you might want to check out NordVPN. It can help speed up your connection, protect your privacy, and even unlock more content. There's a link in the description where you can try NordVPN for a great price. More on that later. First, we'll need an app called Downloader. It's completely free and available from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to Search, start typing Downloader, and once it pops up below, select it. This is the app we'll need, so go ahead and download it. After downloading Downloader, we need to set up our Fire Stick so it can install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. To do this, hold down the Home button on your Fire Stick remote, go to Settings, then scroll to My Fire TV. Now, you'll need to enable Developer Options. However, on some newer Fire Sticks, the developer options may be hidden by default. If you don't see it, no worries. It's easy to make it appear. From the My Fire TV section, go to About. Then select your Fire Stick device name and press the center button on your remote 7 times quickly. Once you've done that, you should see a message saying you are now a developer. When you go back, Developer Options will now be visible. Open it and enable ADB debugging. Then go to Install Unknown Apps and enable it for the Downloader app. This setting lets us install apps directly from the internet instead of the Amazon store, which is exactly what we're going to do now. Now, hold down the Home button again, go to Apps, and open the Downloader app. In the search bar, type the following link, stream.com. Then press Go. Once the website opens, click the hamburger menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top corner and go to Download. Scroll down until you see Steam Link for Android TV and click on Steam One, 6.3 inches to begin the download. The download might take a little time depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, click Install and after that, hit Done. You'll get an option to delete the installation file. We don't need it anymore, so go ahead and click Delete, then confirm again. Now, hold the Home button again, go to your list of apps, and you'll find Steam Link there. Click the Options button on your remote, the one with 3 horizontal lines, and select Move to Front. This places the app on your home screen, so it's easy to access anytime. Open the app, scan the QR code to log into your Steam account, and follow the setup instructions. That's it. You're ready to stream games directly to your Fire Stick. Before we wrap up, if you ever experience lag, buffering, or even region blocks when using your Fire Stick, whether for gaming or streaming, NordVPN can really help. It can stop your ISP from throttling your connection, give you access to games and content not available in your country, and make your whole streaming experience smoother and more secure. You'll find a link in the description where you can try NordVPN for a great price.